Welcome to LinguaTV, your online video platform for foreign language learning. Before you begin, we'd like to give you a brief overview of the features of our training page. Simply click on My Courses to get an overview of your personal language courses available. Now click on the course within this menu that you want to begin with. You will be directed to an overview of the lessons and exercises included in your chosen course. You will also see a summary of your personal learning progress. This is made up of all your results of completed lessons and exercises within the course. Here, you can control your learning progress. Click on Details to see an analysis of your progress in individual skills. You can also see your activity points, which you earn when completing an exercise. These you will find in the My LinguaTV menu. To access a lesson, click on the Start button below the thumbnail. You may get at this point a message from your browser notifying you that by clicking the F11 key, you can activate the full screen mode. Full screen mode includes the subtitles of the transcript of the lesson, which can be very helpful. Once you are in the lesson, you will be directed to a video tab with which we recommend you start your lesson. Simply click Play to start the video. You have two options to follow the dialogue of the scene. 1. The subtitles below the video, or 2. The transcript to the right of the video. To test your listening skills, you can hide the subtitles, transcript, or both text aids by clicking on the orange square on the top right of each text box. If you have difficulty understanding anything, you can always click on a word in the transcript. The word will then be automatically translated within the integrated dictionary. We recommend you pause the video when using this dictionary tool to allow yourself sufficient time to properly read the word definition. You can do this easily by clicking the play button once to pause. It is also possible for you to enter a word manually into the dictionary tool by typing into the text box and then clicking on Search. Another helpful tool we offer are the orange jump arrows, which allow you to jump to certain parts of the video. Simply click on the orange arrowed square next to the transcript to jump to that particular section of the video. This tool allows you to freely move back and forth within the video. For smaller jumps, you can use the grey arrows to the left and right of the Start button. This will take you to the sentence or phrase before or after the current point of the video. The full screen mode can be activated via the button at the bottom right of the screen. At this point, it might be helpful for you to press the F11 key in case you have not already done so. This will allow the subtitles to be completely visible on your screen. Clicking the same button again will take you back to the original image view. On the bottom right of your screen, you will find a download area. This opens with a simple click. Here you will find, depending on the lesson, learning material in different formats, such as PDF or MP3 files. Click on any of the files to download the wanted file and follow the instructions of your browser. After you have viewed the video, you can now switch to the tab called Training. This includes the exercises for the lesson. By using your mouse, Roll over the thumbnail to get a brief explanation about the different types of exercises available within the lesson. Each exercise shows the level of difficulty and a progress bar. The orange arrow on the right will take you to more exercises. Once you have decided on an exercise, click on the thumbnail to begin. Be sure to read the instructions of the exercise before you start. At the end of the exercise, you will get your point score. Now you can either repeat this exercise again or go back to the exercise overview to try a different one. You can do all the exercises as many times as you like. You earn activity points each time you complete an exercise. In some lessons, you will find an additional tab on the left called Tutorial. Here you will find additional videos. If you want to end the whole lesson, click on the Finish button located at the top right. You will now return to the lesson overview and can start another lesson. We hope you found this introduction tour helpful and wish you lots of learning success with LinguaTV.